Okay, I was going to leave. I could be seeing things, but this looks like a humongous frog. Holy shit. Sorry it's dark. That's seriously oh my god, it was the hugest frog I've ever seen. I think there's another one. What? He went under too. Dang it! This is so cool. It was like, that's a really freaking humongous frog staring at me. Oh my god. I love this day. Give you another picture of the sky. There's some lightning strikes going on over there randomly. Some clouds and stuff. It's already been past sunset, so that was so cool. I hope you can kind of see the frogs. It's getting too dark. Gonna go ahead and walk up the hill. Maybe I'll get lucky and get another lightning strike on video before I go. Nothing yet. Anytime now. Some cool clouds over there too. I'll go ahead and walk a little bit. I don't know if the lightning will show up good though if I'm moving. I don't know if it'll show up good if I'm not moving. But whatever. Feel like walking. Ooh, hold on. Oh god, please don't strike lightning right now. Oh crap, look at that moon. Oh, it's so bright. Can't hardly tell on the camera, but it's bright. But look at this over here. What? Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's my hearing crane. Hi, hearing crane. And that's pretty. Like some random prettiness over there where the sun had just set. Alright, if we're gonna strike, then do it. Oh! Oh my god! Oh shit! That was an amazing lightning strike. Please tell me that captured on this camera. I mean, my camera was pointed that way, but I can't tell if it's getting them or not. Holy cow, that was great. It'll probably be a few minutes before the next one. It's already 4 minutes in. I don't know if I should just stop this one and restart or not. I hate to make videos too long and nothing happens most of the time. I'll go to maybe 6 or 7 minutes. For goodness sakes. Oh dang, there's people coming. I don't like that. So Oh, they got a dog. The dog is wearing a flashing collar. That's what that light is. Bling, 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 bling. That's so cute. Oh my god. Okay. I don't want him to think I'm just standing here recording them. Just watch for another lightning strike real fast. Before they get too close. Sorry, I'm so distracted by the blinging dog. Bling, bling, bling. I love him. He's way over there. I might have to get a video of the blinging dog. It's almost more exciting than the lightning. Alright, they're getting closer. I'll go back to the dog. He's way over there. Bling, bling, bling. Okay, they're getting too close now. And so I'm gonna let you go. Bye.